I'm Alexandra Stafford. Today we are making sheet pan chicken and cabbage. This is one of my favorite weeknight meals. The beauty of a sheet pan supper is the minimal cleanup. Ideally, you cook most, if not all, of your dinner on one pan. Another advantage though is flavor, especially when using something like bone-in, skin-on chicken pieces. In the 40 or so minutes that the chicken and vegetables are in the oven, the juices from the meat and the fat from the skin are going to flavor the vegetables. We're going to start by making the marinade. Whisk together 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil, and a tablespoon of sriracha. Season the chicken with kosher salt and fresh cracked pepper. We're going to add 1/4 cup of the marinade, and we'll save the rest of the marinade for the cabbage. We'll let the chicken marinate while the oven heats, and we'll get going with the cabbage. This dressing recipe is inspired by another recipe on Food52 that originally called for using kale and coconut and sweet potatoes. It's very versatile. Before we dress the cabbage with the rest of the marinade, we are going to season it with salt and pepper. Grease the pan with a little bit of neutral oil, then transfer your chicken to the pan. The chicken roasts alone first to encourage browning. So after 10 minutes, when the chicken begins to brown, you nestle the cabbage around the chicken pieces. We're going to transfer this back to the oven and cook for another 20 to 25 minutes until the chicken is cooked through and evenly golden. We're going to transfer the chicken to a platter, and while it rests, we'll return the cabbage to the oven and roast for another 5 to 10 minutes, or until the juices reduce and the cabbage caramelizes. When the cabbage is evenly golden and the juices have reduced, it's ready to be served. This is a great meal to serve for company. The chicken skin is really crisp. The cabbage is caramelized and sweet. I love this chicken and cabbage sheet pan dinner because you can have a dinner party worthy meal ready in no time at all. This is another favorite sheet pan supper. It's spatchcock chicken with delicata squash, red onions, and za'atar. One advantage of spatchcocking a chicken is that it cooks faster than a whole chicken. You can serve this again with lemon, or this is a little tahini yogurt sauce. With a spatchcock chicken, you have white meat, you have dark meat, so everybody's happy. This is another favorite sheet pan chicken dinner. It's chicken and cauliflower. Here, the chicken is seasoned with cumin, coriander, smoked paprika, and cayenne. The cauliflower and onions are also flavored with the seasonings. To assemble, smear lemony yogurt sauce over pita bread. Transfer your chicken and cauliflower and just squeeze some lemon over top. The beauty of this dish is you have your chicken and vegetables all cooked together. You can assemble sandwiches as here, or you can set up a buffet and serve the chicken, the vegetables, and yogurt. And in the end, you have a super flavorful dinner.